Good day, sir. My name is Nicolas Miguelbro and my roommate Cyril Maranga, and we discuss about the effect of building and portability and the stability of the ship. Introduction. Ship stability is the ability of a vessel to return to its upright position after being taken by external force such as waves, winds, and cargo movements. Two important factors that affect ship stability during damage are building and portability. This condition can greatly reduce the safety of a vessel and may lead to capsizing or sinking if not properly controlled. Building definition. Building occurs when a compartment of a ship is damaged below the waterline, allowing seawater to enter the space. This may happen due to collision, grounding, or structural failure. Effect of bulging on stability. Number 1. Increase in ship weight. The entry of seawater increases the ship displacement and the overall weight. Number 2. Loss of buoyancy. Flooded compartments lose their ability to provide buoyancy, causing the ship to sink deeper in the water. Number 3. List or trim. If flooding occurs on one side, the ship may list. If flooding occurs at the bow or stern, the ship may trim forward or aft. Number 4. Reduction of stability. Floodwater creates a free surface effect, reducing the metacentric height and making the ship less stable. Number 5. Risk of capsizing. River bulging can cause instability that may lead to capsizing or sinking.
Permeability. Definition: permeability is the percentage of a compartment volume that can be occupied by water. It depends on the amount of empty space inside the compartment. Effect of permeability on stability. First, amount of flood water entering the high permeability allows more water to enter the compartment. Second, change in stability. More flood water increases the free frequency effect and reduces stability. Third, effect on buoyancy. High permeability reduces reserve buoyancy faster, causing deeper immersion. Fourth, influence on damage stability. Ships are designed with permeability values to calculate survivability after the damage. Relationship between bulging and permeability. Bulging and permeability are causes related because the amount of flooding caused by bulging depends on the permeability of the damaged compartment. A compartment with high permeability will take in more water, resulting in greater loss of stability and buoyancy of the ship. Conclusion: bulging and permeability are major factors affect the damage stability of a ship. Bulging allows seawater to enter damaged compartment, while permeability determines how much water can occupy those space. Both conditions can reduce buoyancy, create listing or trimming, and decreasing shape stability. Proper shape design, watertight division, and damage control reduce are essential to maintain safety at the sea.